What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the video. Let's talk about some lawn stripes here for a second and understanding lawn stripes. So as you guys can see, these stripes right here, I'm using a Turf Tiger sit down zero turn, but as you can see, these stripes right here, they're not very defined and deep. You can see the stripes, you can see where we were cutting, and then understanding that this light stripe here is us going that way up the hill, and the dark stripe and the bent down of the blades of grass, the dark stripe is coming down back this way. So if you newbies out there, you don't understand that, that's what that means. The difference between the light stripe and a dark stripe. Light stripe is going forward, dark stripe is coming at you. So you guys see how these stripes look right now, but let's go up to the top of the hill there and look down this way, and let's see the difference. So here's what it looks like right here right now at the bottom of the hill. So you can still see them, and they're pretty good looking, and our sun is behind some clouds now. But let's go up to the top of the hill. Okay guys, so now we're at the top of the hill, and you can see how much more defined the stripes are. We were down there by that signpost, right down there, and now we're all the way at the top of the hill. And then now the sun is at our back, still behind a little bit of clouds there, but the sun is at our back. So understanding stripes here is that when the sun is behind you, your stripes will look more defined, especially if you go over them twice. But when we were down by the sign, we were looking at the sun and still looking at the blades of grass, same stripes here, but we were looking at the sun. The sun was at our face. Now the sun is at our back, and we're looking down on the stripes. So that's just a tip there for you new guys starting out, how to get your stripes to look more defined, or understanding the stripes and how they get more defined. And the reason why I went diagonal this way here is because for me, I like when people drive past and look at my stripes. So I know for this area right here, a lot of traffic is coming from that intersection down there and this intersection right here. And both sides, you'll still get that same striped effect and same good look of stripes. But this side here, when the sun is at people's backs, all this traffic right here is going to look at these stripes and say, wow, that looks really good. Those are some nice straight stripes, some nice deep defined looking stripes. That looks good. Same with those people down there, but it'll just look a little bit more faint because they're looking at it, like I just explained, with the sun facing them, or looking, yeah, with the sun facing them and not with the sun at their back, like this crowd over here for this intersection. So I just wanted to bring that up to you guys. Thanks for clicking on the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free to do, and I'd greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.